So I've got this trailer here. It's not a big one. It's only like 5 feet wide and about 7 feet long. But the problem is I've smashed up the lights. You can see that one over there is just kind of dangling with the breeze here. The lights have gotten smashed up on both sides, and the wiring is bad. I've had this old wiring set up here for quite some time, and you can see that it was just all exposed wire, and it's a 4-pin system, very basic system, but with all that exposed wire running through here, I've got some breaks in the wire. It just really wasn't well taken care of. So this kit here from SS Vision was sent to me, and they asked me to do a short video on it and make a opinion on how it is. And this is a really good set. It's much better equipped than my original one. So here you've got your 4-pin connector. It's got a dust cover with it too that you can use. And then, boy, it's hard to get off of there. Let's see if we can't. Yeah, definitely tricky getting it off one-handed. But you got your 4-pin system here, a helpful dust cover, and your ground wire, which has already got a attachment on the end there, so you can just screw that on into your ground. And then the nice thing about it is the both of these coils of wire are got a braiding around them the whole way around. So really nice quality braiding, going to protect the wiring. And of course, you've got your green, it's going to be on your right side, and your yellow on your left side. And they're already color coded and everything and just ready to go. So all I got to do is undo these tie wraps and then run my wire. And the whole way through, they'll be protected in this braided piece here. So that's really going to be a good deal to help me out, keep this trailer running. In addition, they give you some other pieces here. You're going to get some waterproof connectors that you can use to squeeze those connections onto your lights. So that way the connection between the wiring and the lights can be easy. And they give you a whole bunch of these tie wraps, so you can tie wrap it all the way through the frame of your system so you can get it all set up. So it's really everything you need to do to redo the wiring. So as long as you've got a good set of lights, you're going to be ready to go from end to end with this kit. So I'm pretty impressed. I like it. I love the braided wire portion. And then just to hold them, this is a very quality product. You just feel it all the way through that they've thought this through real well. So yeah, hope that was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this trailer wiring kit for the 4-pin systems. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.